Alex Greengold.
2 MLRS barrages. Two MLRS barrages dug in on the Sawmill.
Nobody is leaving anybody.
They're gonna steamroll the army and then they'll be back. This is our only chance to get out.
Not going into the subway. You've heard the stories.
We will starve here. The subway is our only chance. We take it to Inwood, get to the evac center, and get the fuck out of New York. Or we die here.
I don't like him, but he's right.
Gotta be quiet here.
Dan, you hear me?
Hey, what's up? I don't see you guys on the roof.
We're going for it. Trying the subway to Inwood. Over.
Yeah, really? I don't... maybe the grunts will wipe him out on the front. Guys?
Stop!
Got the creeper! Stairs are out. Push through to the elevator. Creeper's gone. Push the elevator button. Elevator coming up.
Wrong floor, assholes.
Dan, you there?
Always.
We're headed down. Out of food. Gotta go now. You coming? Over.
Look, I got food and booze for a month. Jarheads will be here by then. I'm gonna wait it out, but I'll keep an eye out for you.
Dios mío. We have to get through that.
Holy Christ. You seeing this? Like the goddamn Thanksgiving Day parade.
Keep moving, shitbirds. Party's in the Bronx. Noise. Take him out! Grenade out! Come on, cabrones!
Pyramid! Can't let them get up here!
If we clean them out, the elevator shaft should be safe to get down. Get some room!
gas bag! Moving in!
Did everybody get some?
It's me! Stop!
Drop that screamer! Down the screamer!
Infector! Loading ammo!
Infection's done! Bomber! Let him get close!
That's enough for everybody.
One of ours needs help!
Gonna... Close one.
Fresh ammo coming up.
Thanks.
Okay, I'm good. Got them all. Subway to the left and across the street.
Don't make a sound.
Where have you been all my life? Grab the defense stash.
Guys, I'm seeing a swarm coming straight for you.
Fuck. From where?
Right down Broadway.
This'll get in their way. Machine gun installed! Defense kit. Good stuff. What's in here?
Oh, they're coming over the gate! Oh, they're coming over the gate! Dig in! They're coming over!
Gas bag,
Gas
moving
bags
in.
down.
Look out for the signal!
There's more where that came from.
Big floor is down!
I almost stayed in. Thanks.
It's me!
Good.
Thanks.
Dan, are we clear to the subway?
Probably the best it's gonna be. Go for it. And good luck down there.
Thanks. Take care of yourself, Dan. To better times.
Bye.
Over.
Better times. Over and out.
Raise it up!
Move!
No turning back now.
Don't make a sound.
Keep moving!
Go! Go!
Flash ammo coming up!
It's coming from the platforms. Reloading!
Whoa! I'm out of ammo! Hands up! Infector!
The screamer's talking more.
Shut up the screamer!
Shit! Clear the train!
Get off my train!
That's one screamer. Stop shooting!
Get back, you smelly bastards! Who the hell just shot at my train? Get in here!
It's him.
Him? Oh, my reputation precedes me.
We need you to drive this thing to Inwood.
Shit ain't free, SA.
Stay down!
This rabbit hole is chock-a-block with goodies. Bring 'em to me.
You give them everything you got!
Grabbed another box. This better be enough.
Get away
I'm
from
reloading.
me!
Somebody help.
I've got eyes on a screamer.
Give me some food! I need help. I'm here, okay?
Save my ass. Throwing Ugh.